Have you been considering installing a home energy storage system but not sure if it's worth it? We'll explain what ESS is and the benefits of solar and batteries. Now, let's dive in.
With the outbreak of COVID-19 and global energy crisis, the demand for photovoltaic products has increased for customers who are at home or working remotely. So does demand for efficient, safe and sustainable energy storage system. Just like the batteries in your laptop or phone, energy storage is a way of capturing electricity and saving it for later use. For residential ESS, batteries are becoming an increasingly popular way of storing the energy. The more you are able to store and use renewable electricity, the less electricity you will have to take from the grid. Being less reliant on the national grid also means lower bills, which always deserves a celebration. Any extra electricity can be fed to the grid or to be exported, making profits. Under the Smart Export Guarantee, you can make the best of a flexible tariff to export your electricity. Many batteries now offer an online portal so that you can track your home energy online. Home energy storage makes backup electricity possible in the event of a power cut. Whether a battery storage system could save your money and justify the previous cost would depend on a few different factors. The type of system you choose, the installation cost, how much electricity you usually generate and how much you use, what electricity tariff you are on, your chosen system's lifespan, whether you receive FIT or SEG payment. It's important to put all of these puzzle pieces together when you are considering getting a home energy storage system. In the near future, home energy storage will not only make individual houses eco-friendly, but also help support cleaner energy for whole communities. Tech company launched a new service in 2021 that possesses unprecedented flexibility in home energy, helping members reduce their carbon footprints while using smart tech. Find out more by visiting our website.